Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aditya Baraskar. I'm a senior scientist and global business lead at Orbital Lasers. Today I'm going to talk about space lasers. Space lasers is maturizing in few sectors like communications, but it's not with a good potential or big potential what we can think about it because of high cost, mass volume constraints. And there are the technology which is needed like a component beam, steering systems that we have to be cover up and develop a lot. So what we did at Orbital Lasers, we focus on this. We reduce the cost by 90% with the series of the lasers we are developing right now in Orbital Lasers. 70% downstream and trivializing the project which is like active debris removal and the Earth observation. Our technology is 10x peak power than the conventional lasers which is available in the commercial market. Our technology, we are focusing on two projects. One is active debris removal, another is satellite LiDAR. When I'm going to talk about active debris removal, so over here maybe you can see a satellite, but it's not a satellite. It's a small, not a small, it looks like a small, but it's like a school bus size satellite which is non-functional and it's a debris right now. And because of this, we are losing $1 billion project into a zero. It's negative value right now. So if we do not remove it, what will going to be happen? There is a $191 billion assets on the line in the space sectors. Our mobile phone, internet, telecom, everything will be not working. The space debris, if we do not remove, 0.5% of GDP will lose every year. But if we remove, for the 100 years, we'll make 0.6% of GDP growth. But for 200 years, 2% of GDP. And that will give us more significant acknowledgement. What we do, we are developing a technology which is the laser technology. And we use for detumbling. Detumbling is a simple, we shoot a laser on a target. So when a target is moving, suppose that this debris is, we cannot capture only using the robotic arm or magnetic because it's moving like this. When it moves, how you'll capture it? You need a big robotic arms. So we shoot a laser continuously. And when it's moving, we stop it. And this is called detumbling. That's the technology we are making without a contact method. From a far distance, we shoot a lasers, we do ablations, and we stop it. So easy to capture by the active debris removal, ISAM industry. Lot of industry is going to be growing in the upcoming decade. This industry is not only. The second project which we are making is Earth observation. We already have a contract and award contract from the JAXA. We are making a LiDAR Earth observation which is 300 to 400 kg class compared to the mass of another satellites which is provided by NASA or European Space Agency or few other countries who have a capability. We are providing which more cheaper, more cost effective and more significant. This constellation is not only be stopped, this satellite is not going to be stopped, but we are going to make a constellation for the commercial sectors. This commercial sector can observe a precise of centimeter scale height of Earth data, the true 3D map, the accurate carbon credit, drone navigation, EV toll, everything will be there. Land management and disaster preventions that we can develop with the technology. On our booth, we have a mock-up model. So if you are free, please come to B29 and check it. What we are going towards is a $5 billion market at Orbital Lasers. We wanted to be not only active debris removals, but Earth observation, but total the sectors of $5 billion. We already have a customer from JAXA, Ministry of Defense, and the USGS. Like these customers can be our potential clients also. JAXA, In-Space City, Astroscale, ClearSpace, they are not competitor, they are collaborator for us. When we see our company, we have the more than 50 people. Last year we started a 7 people team, now we are going to 50 people. We have more than 460 years of experience. Our teams are come from Sky Perfect, JSAT, RIC and JAXA and many more agencies from the Japan. What we are looking towards the space-based lasers is not only going to be stopped on the space debris removal, not only for the Earth observations, but we are going to protect human in the space using the lasers for the protection for the international space stations and the upcoming space stations. We are going for the power transmission, not only for the Earth atmosphere, but for the interplanetary missions. If you like it, please join us, and if you have any questions, we are happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. That was very inspiring. Thank you very much. So now I'd like to invite our feedback members to share your comment or questions. If you have any questions or comment for the presentator, please take the microphone.
All right, are you able to hear me now? Sorry about that. Thank you for a great presentation. Really interesting to see, what problem you're trying to tackle and how you're thinking about technological development. As you made clear, you're targeting kind of two primary applications with, different customer sets, different business models. So how are you thinking about balancing resources, focus, prioritization as you continue to expand those two paths?
So yes, so currently we are having the technology which we are developing is a laser technology. So we have already laser teams which come from the RIKEN. We have proprietary laser technology collaborations with Orbital lasers where we are developing RIKEN. RIKEN is like a CERN of Japan. And the Sky Perfect JSAT engineers also come with us. So we are already learned from the aerospace divisions, laser divisions, so we can understand the technology for the debris removal, same times the LiDAR side. And then the support from the JAXA and other organizations, they are giving us the very good opportunity. From last 1 year, it was for me is like learning a lot. Every day I'm learning a lot.
And it strikes me that space is a shared resource. So it's a little bit like polluting the ocean. That any given player doesn't fully bear the cost of their actions. So how do you incentivize people who are playing in space to use your service and keep from polluting the shared space resource?
So the thing is like I'm a scientist plus I'm a global business division lead also. But same times I work with the orbital lasers. I got opportunity to write policies. So I'm working with the ISO, AIA, BSI, ESSI, Confers. So we are creating policies because until the policy or guidelines are not be there, the shared ecosystems cannot be achieved perfectly for the humanity and the betterment of the space sustainability. So yes, we want to develop more policy and development so people will understand, and this our technology is developing right now. Not we, but other companies who is in ISAM market, debris market, they are also developing. So we are also developing with them, and definitely one day will come that will clean everything in space.
That was a great pitch. In terms of space, I mean, it's also that there are several other agencies across the world. So how are you collaborating, and what's your business model like for both these applications that you mentioned? I mean, where do you see it going towards?
So for the active debris removal, we are not making the satellite right now. Our future plans, maybe, we'll make it. But right now, we are just making a payload. We'll deliver to the customers who have the debris removal technology, RPO technology. So they can take our laser system, steering, focus, and object detection systems. We shoot laser to detumble, then they can capture from chopstick. And what we are not giving, not only the laser technology for removal, but multi-target opportunity. Because robotics cannot be multi-target opportunity right now. In future, maybe. But right now, our laser can stop from 10 centimeters to a rocket body. So that opportunity give them, so they can use a robotics like a chopstick type. For the markets, which is like other side, Earth observation side, we already have a contract for the making satellite for the JAXA. So we are building right now in our Tokyo office. So we have already a pipeline of business is going on. The collaboration side, we already are collaborating with one international client who is making robotics technology and the RPO capability. We are providing our laser solutions. So maybe in next few years, you will see our lasers in space.
Okay, thank you very much. Please give me a big round of applause.
Thank you, everyone.
You did an amazing job. Thank you very much.